Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan.
Okay, we're gonna be walking all the way down to that way, to the Beatles monument, and then we're also gonna see this cable car. It's gonna go all the way down. You can also see some of the views already from up here as well. Oops. So yeah, that's where we're coming down. We're coming up here. There's a big parking lot right there. You can see all the mountains up in the background as well. Kind of a cloudy day, but yeah, anyways, stay tuned for that. Okay, we are going to be in Almaty. I got this hat is from Kashgar on the China side, not too far away from Tashkent, but this one is going to be up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. You can also see that that this one is going to be the hilltop. So we're going to be starting all around this kind of touristic area, and you can get a good feel for what it's like to be up on the rooftop as well. It starts out me trying to get to the spot, and then there's a lot of footage up on top. So I'm just going to put it all in so you can get the full-on experience, which is what I like to do anyways. Anyways, without further ado, let's give you a little slice of Almaty. Let's go do this, as if you were there yourself. Yeah, very interesting. So we can see it's like cloudy, a little bit rain, but you can still see a lot of buildings up here. You see how big and tall. There's a big main boulevard right there. But all these houses here are huge. Let's go right up in the valley. So yeah, I kind of feel like the way the city's designed, I kind of have a feeling people have big apartments here. I'm gonna go all the way up that way. I heard the pollution is really not so good in the wintertime, but in the summer right now it's fine. There's actually a tower up there too. Okay, so here's a lookout, and I think we're gonna be going up there to that one. Take a look. Okay. This is the walk on up. You can see some of the trees and the foliage. There's some lighting in case people come up here in the evening, I guess. And they might. I think they do for sunset. There's even some cameras there too for security. Okay, so we got a little bit further ahead, and we're gonna go to a Beatles monument. Oh wow, you can actually see quite a bit into the distance now. So we'll keep on going up until we can get to that spot, and we might even take the cable car down, maybe. We'll see. Yep, I gotta go up here. So I was just talking to those two ladies right there, the two women, and they were telling me that that is up to the cable cars. So I didn't expect to take the steps, but I guess that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so it looks like we made it to the top. That's where the cable cars come out of there and come up as well. Okay, I guess these are these little ones that go down, so these will go down that way and they go all the way down.
Обычно сюда вот ты приезжаешь.
So that one goes down, and I guess it goes back up through this one as well. So we capture this one going down. And you have that as well. It's an upside down house with a car up there as well. Let's see. I guess that's for the cable car, I think. Oh, right here. So I think you get your tickets here and you can ride it here. Ferris wheel. Coffee shop. Monte Verde. Okay. It's kind of cool though. Pretty cool. It looks like we also have another side over there so you can actually look both sides and see down the mountain, and there's also some stuff over here too. Kazakhstan. And you also get some food menus as well. See what the foods are. Croissants, kebab, hot dog, pilaf. Okay, so let's move this way. And then we also have these views over here too. You see some houses in the distance there too. Okay. So we're going to try to navigate back that way. So there is more up here too, observation deck. So I can go all the way up to there. So I think people are going to that spot. And then there's also more of these and some music that might affect my video. So see, there's more stuff up here, including a yurt with video games, I think. Let's go back this way. Let's go out this way. So yeah. Illusion. I think there's something in here too. So there's like a yurt, video games. And it looks like you can keep walking all the way down. More video games I think here too. So there's a lot in this area. There's more parks. Kind of like a area for kids to hang out, I think. VR. I think there's a place to eat here, a restaurant. And a roller coaster as well. And a climbing wall. Huh. I think that's the end. There's actually more that way as well. More rides. There's trampolines. This one. And we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to the cable car. A lot of stuff for kids. I think I heard Almaty is quite family friendly, so this definitely demonstrates that. So here's the Beatles. And that goes back to where we are gonna go. But I was trying to find this anyway, so there it is. Came out of that one. All right, so that is the Cable car. Looks like it's raining. All right, that's it. Sheesh.
Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.